Hi there, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today we're going to make tags with tiny little creatures. I'm going to stamp the creatures in solar white um, paper, and I'm going to color them with my copy markers. I don't know what happened lately, but my copy markers are bleeding. I tried to use them in Bristol paper, this paper that it never bleed in this one, but start bleeding. I don't know if I'm pressing too much my copy markers. I need to figure it that out. I'm going to color the tags using oxidized distress colors in the color of the rainbow, except for the pink, because the rainbow have two blues, well, one very dark blue and light blue. Um, I think I said this before, but I like to take one blue away and add pink. After I finish coloring all my tags, I'm going to sprinkle with water, then let to dry. When it's dry, I'm going to cut. Oh, I also spray with glitter spray, and after that, I will cut the foam. This is a 4 millimeters thick foam, and it cut easily in the die cut machine. I cut it with the same cut that I cut all the tags, and I also going to cut the acetate with the tags that I cut the back of the tag, and I'm going to cut the top away. I'm going to follow the stitching line, and it's the perfect size for the tags. I'm going to glue the acetate in all my tags using double-sided stick tape. I do the same thing in all the colors. Now that my acetates are glued, I'm going to add the foam. To add the foam, I'm going to use this glue that is called Yuho, and I like to use it for the foam because it glues very well. And I also, people think that this glue is messy, but it's not, because it's awesome that you can leave it to dry and it gets sticky, and it later manage the base into the paper. And we need to do this because the paper, when you press the foam into the die cut machine, it's going to get a little bit, not that much, a little bit longer than the paper of the tag, and we have to manage the corners like I'm doing here. But when the glue is pressed, everything is fine, no problem. After I glue all the foam in top of the acetate, I'm going to add more glue in top of the foam again. That way I'm going to press the paper that is going to be closing the shaker tag. I play with the styrofoam balls, tiny styrofoam balls in colors, and I also add little they are not sequins, they are like beads, little bits, clear little bits, as you see here. In the first one, I add first the styrofoam balls, and then the little bits, the clear bits. But I figured out it's better because the card get heavier, and you can place the like little styrofoam balls. As surprise, it wasn't that difficult to put the styrofoam balls inside the tags, because the static of the acetate helps you to bring the little balls where they have to be. I'm going to add now the little critters, and as you see here, I put them then inside my sticker maker to add the sticky element in the back, and the way it's going to be super easy to place them in each tag. Because they have like neutral colors on the little critters, you can add them in whatever color tag you wish. When I'm finished adding the little animals in top of the tags, I'm going to add a white tag in the back of the car, because as you can see with the oxide they get stains in the back, and the idea is that you add something in the back of the car, like to front, or other sentiment that you want to add by you write it by yourself, or with a stamp. After I finish adding the paper, I'm going to add baker twine of each corresponding color to each tag. And I also going to add sentiment in the top of the tag. For this, I just cut this flag, but I'm going to take this stick away, and I'm just going to keep the flag now as a banner. And I'm going to color it with the same colors that I color all the tags. After this, I'm going to stamp it with Versamark, and I'm going to add black embossing powder. I'm going to stamp with Versamark and add black embossing powder, because I try to stamp with Versafine and it didn't work. Maybe I have to wait for the oxide ink to dry a little bit longer, but I didn't have the patience to wait. As for that, I did it with Versamark, and it was very easy. Just remember, always add the anti-static powder. I'm going to color the hearts that are in the sentiment, and I'm also going to add glossy accent to them. I'm going to wait for this to dry, and I'm going to put the banners inside my sticker maker, and that way I will add it very easily to the tag. After I add all the banners to the tag with the sentiment, I'm going to do a stitching line in the manner. That way get a little bit of the whole tag. Don't get confused. It's like another piece. After that, I'm going to add googly eyes to my critters, because they look nice right now, but I want them to look a little bit funny, because when I start doing these cards, I was thinking in kids tags for birthday, or for Easter basket, or something like that. As you see, the sentiments say happy. In the back you can add happy Easter, or happy birthday, or whatever you need for this tag to be. Well, this is my craft for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next time. Bye.